What's up, you guys? Okay, so this is the video of me doing my nails. This is what this hand looks like. If you want to see how I achieved this look, this nail look, keep watching. I'm happy it came together. It's kind of weird though. Like, I wouldn't mix gold and silver jewelry, but I mixed like gray and gold on my nail. It's whatever. I think it's cute. It gives me like mature celebration vibes, you know, like champagne, whatever. So yeah, I also filmed this makeup look. I did it with a black lip in the video though, and I don't know. I don't like it that much after all. I don't know what version I'm gonna like use, what intro outro version I'm gonna use, but yeah. Yes, all of the products that I use, I'm gonna try to link in the description. Is there anything I wanted to add? Like, not really.
Guy that thinks he's fine, and he's also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So no, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. No, I don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. He's sticking me, but his thing's kinda weak, and I know that he cannot approach me, cause I'm looking like glass and it's looking like trash. Can't get with a deadbeat ass. So no, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. No, I don't want none of your time, and I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
Superstar, that's what you are. Come from far, reach for the stars. Go with me to another place. We can rely on each other. 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 Yeah, superstar, that's what you are. Come from far, reach for the stars. Go with me to another place. We can rely on each other. From one corner to another, to another, to another, to another. With me, another place. Rely on each other. With me, another place. Rely on each other. To another, to another, to another, to another, to another, to another. To another, to another, to another.
Okay, you guys, that's it for the nail video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Turn on notifications so you get notified every time I post. Suggest topics for me to speak on if you want to hear my opinion on certain things. Yeah, follow me on social media if you want. But yeah, there really isn't that much more to add. Let me know what you think of my nails. Maybe give me inspiration for like the next design. I don't know. I just do whatever comes to mind. It's been real, it's been fun. I guess I'm going to see you in the next one. Yes. I'm so mad that I didn't like think to pull this up until just now. It looks so much better like that. Whatever, I'm like getting back into the swing of things, so yes.